Composition of functions, Part 2. Example 3, modeling real life. The function c of m equals 15 minus 10.5 m approximates the temperature in degrees Celsius at an altitude of m miles. The diagram shows the altitude in miles of an airplane t minutes after taking off, where t is between 0 and 30. Find c of m of t, evaluate c of m of 30, and explain what it represents. All right, so the function c of m is given here, and in the picture we have m of t equals 0.2t. So the first thing it says to do is find c of m of t. So remember, we always start with the inside and work out. So we're going to take m of t, 0.2t, and substitute that in for m in my c of m function. So we're going to have c of m of t, and we're going to take 15 minus 10.5, and in place of m, we're going to substitute this other function down here. So we're going to put 0.2t. All right, from there, then we need to simplify. So we're going to have 15, and then we have minus 10.5 times 0.2. All right, so I've got negative 10.5. I'm just going to do 10.5. I know it's going to be negative, times 0.2. And that's going to give me 2.1. Okay, and again, don't forget it's a negative, so negative 2.1 t. So that's going to be the expression that represents c of m of t. So it says find c of m of t. So we did that, and then it says evaluate c of m of 30. So we're going to have c of m of 30. So I'm going to take the function I just found, and I'm going to substitute 30 minutes in for t. And we know it's minutes because it says t minutes after taking off. All right, so we have 15 minus again, because I've got a negative times a positive. Let's see, what is 2.1 times 30? It's going to be just over 60. I'm saying 60 and typing 60 instead of 30. All right, 63. That makes sense because the 3 times the 1 would be the 3. So I'm going to have 15 minus 63. 15 minus 63 is negative 48. All right, so it says evaluate c of m of 30 and explain what it represents. All right, what does this represent? So t is in minutes. We plugged in 30 minutes, and we plugged that in the function that approximates the temperature in degrees Celsius at a certain altitude. So what that indicates is after 30 minutes, the airplane is at an altitude that has a temperature of about negative 48 degrees Celsius. So after 30 minutes, the plane is flying at an altitude that has a temperature in Celsius, so it'd be negative 48 degrees Celsius. All right, that is all for example 3 and for this lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know.